So here we have the Kubota RTV, which we've kindly been donated by Lister Wilder's Hire Division. And fitted to it is our new UTV plough from Faulkner Brothers. So there's a few special features about this plough. One, as you can see, it fits very neatly into the 2-inch receiver hitch at the front TV. And then from there, you've got our machine. So this one's set up for the right height for the RTV, so that when you drop the machine on the winch, you can get an electric version as well. The bracket is more or less parallel to the ground, giving you a good pushing position. We've got a blade that's on trip springs, so if you drive over a manhole cover or something like that, the blade will flip forward on the springs and allow the vehicle to ride over without impacting the chassis too much. So this is quite important. The other big feature of this plough is that it has an aluminium extruded blade. So that makes it nice and light, so that you're not having something that's too heavy for the front of the vehicle and causing a lot of impact on the suspension and other parts, making it difficult to manoeuvre. We've got a couple of sets of caster wheels here, so it can support it when you're trying to manoeuvre the plough around on the workshop floor for fitting. Makes it really nice and simple, and we'll show you a clip of that shortly. This particular plough can be angled here. It's got 3 positions, so you just take the pin out, angle the blade around, and you can then windrow the snow to the left or the right of the RTV. It's available in 2 different widths. This is the 1.5 metre version. You can also get a 1.8 metre version that fits the RTV, and that gives you a little bit more space either side of the wheel when you're angled. You can adjust the trip springs on here. So there's bolts, eye bolts, that allow you to loosen or tighten the trip springs. So if you're finding it's tilting too easily, you can tighten them up, or vice versa. And then there's different bolt positions on the back here, so that if you didn't have a nice parallel linkage, you could lower the frame into the right position or lift it up several holes into the right position for whatever carrier vehicle you're on. So it's not just for the RTV, it could go on other utility vehicles such as the Deere Gator or the Kioti K9, or it could go on electric utility vehicles. It's particularly good for electric utility vehicles because it's not got anything electric on it to tax the batteries, and the electric version comes with its own built-in battery system, so you've not got to worry again about taxing the alternator on these machines or taxing the battery system on the electric machines.